BJP na luchingba center gi leingak asina Manipur gi Erang Asi India gi atei mafam amadi Malem gi mafam singda Uhandanaba Kupsillaga Thamli haina Inner Manipur gi Lok Sabha gi MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akaoijam na fongdokkhre Parliament gi chathariba budget session gi ngasi gi mifamda leipak asigi President Dorpati Murmur gi warolda referring tawraduna Manipur gi MP Akaoijam Bimol na makha taraduna President gi warol da yaukiba Northeast region da inclusive development taunanaba haikiba aduda Manipur gi wafam di yauramdre Constitution gi principle bu yenglagadi state asibu nathaibani loinana Article 32 gi matung inadi Manipur asi kanthok pirami haina logani mahakna makha taraduna leimakong da leiba army camp tegi laisrom kamal babu ko bamioi ama mafam khangdana mangkiba asina taklibadi micham miyam ngakleba security force leina makoi gi mitmangdegi Makhatana micham miyam kaya manglakpa yabagi sakina amani Jirbam district chamjaraba nupi ahum amadi angang ahum punna miyoi taruku ki militant singna faraga tamthina hatkiba adu palladuna Manipur da article 19 gi matung inna lepak asigi ngamkhai manungda ningkha tamna chatpagi hak adu manghanbani state asigi micham miyam khak natana chief minister fawba state asigi mafam sinba thungna ningkha tamna chatpangamde India ki security agency singna kutlai paiba loop kaya ama semgat le haina maral siraduna state asida sel thumgi fibam asuki matik sokshin kre lepak asida khwaidigi inflation wangba mafam asi Manipur da oide lalon iti ki thabak leplakle thabak fangdabagi naha kaya ama ngaukchatnare masigi matakta sel thumgi charang na bathokle amaromda Manipur dagi achauba city singda chatke hairabadi aeroplane gi tanglaba ticket kaklaga chatnari masna miyamda achauba khudong chadaba mayoknare pumnamak asi tawfam thokpa center gi thabak paikhatuna miyam gi awab asi athuba matamda kokhanbiu haiba wafam fongdokhi
Crisis in Manipur is not an isolated issue. Its gravity is such that it is a national crisis. The government of Manipur openly claims that its power has been stripped by the union government. We don't know who is in charge of the state of Manipur. The leaders of the government in the state says the police did not report to the Honorable CM and the Home Minister, to whom they are reporting then. And the appointment of the big officials of law and order, such as the chairman of the Unified Command, which takes care of the security and law and order situation, coordinate various security agencies, has been removed and planted some ex-bureaucrat by the center. And the CM says, for instance, that some part of Manipur is under my command and some part of the state is under the Union Home Minister. Can you imagine the Chief Minister of Maharashtra saying, Mumbai is under my control and the rest of Maharashtra is under the Union government? That is an illegal subversion of the constitutional mechanism and democracy in this country in the 75 years of our experience. The Chief Minister ordered something, the Central Security Forces refused to obey the order. And there are images where the Central Armed Forces stop the Manipur police from responding to armed attacks on innocent villagers. It is a reality that is happening in Manipur, but who cares? You have sent in 60,000 plus troops, and under whose command those are working? If Article 355 or 365 has been invoked, where is the written documents? There's nothing of that kind. So it is an extra constitutional subversion of the constitution of the country in a state called Manipur. Article 32, habeas corpus. But in the most secure place in Manipur called the Red Seal Divisions, the 57 Mountain Division, an army garrison, a civilian by the name Kamal Babu, Laishram Kamal Babu, disappeared without a trace. Since November, the defense minister kept quiet, the army chief kept quiet. How secure is the people of Manipur, even when you are not secure in the military garrisons? The biggest army headquarters in the state of Manipur, the 57 Mountain Division.